In this video, I am going to solve exercise 13.6 of class 9 math, chapter number 13, surface areas and volume from NCERT text. So let's begin. Exercise 13.6 from question number 1. So in question number 1, it has been said that the circumference of the base of a cylindrical vessel is 32 centimeter. Okay, the circumference of the base of a cylindrical vessel is 132 centimeter. And its height is 20 centimeter. Okay, so how many liters of water can it hold? We have to ask how many liters of water can it hold. So the circumferences of the base of the cylindrical vessels is given. As we know, the basis of a cylindrical vessel, which is in the form of circle. Okay, so 2 pi r is given. Clear? So here given circumference of the base. Okay, circumference of the base equal to 132 centimeter. So as we know the formula of the circumference, which is 2 pi r. So this is given 2 pi r equal to 132 centimeter. Okay. So this is 2, the value of pi is 22 by 7 into r equal to 132 centimeter. Now simplify. This is 2 centimeter 12 and 3. And this is 3. So r equal to 7 into 3 equal to 21 centimeter. So radius of the base of the vessels is 21 centimeter. Now find the volume of cylindrical vessels. Okay. So therefore find the volume of the cylindrical vessels equal to we know pi r square h. Okay, pi r square h. So the value of pi is 22 by 7 and radius r is here find out 21 centimeter. So write 2 times 21 centimeter and height of the cylinder, which is given here. Height of the cylinder is 25 centimeter. So put here 25 centimeter. Here 21 cancel out 3 times. Okay, and now multiply 22 by 3 by 21 by 25. So we will get the total volume of the cylindrical vessels is equal to 346 is equal to 346 50 centimeter 50 centimeter cube. Okay, total volume which is equal to 34650 centimeter cube. Okay, but here we have to ask how many liters of the water can it hold. Then find the capacity of the cylindrical vessels. Okay, so we know 1000 centimeter cube. 1000 centimeter cube volume equal to 1 liter. Okay, then 1 centimeter cube volume equal to 1 centimeter cube volume equal to 1 upon 1000 of liter. Okay, so now using this unit to find the total capacity of the cylindrical vessels in liter. Okay, so write capacity of the cylindrical vessels equal to 34650 upon 1000 liter, which is equal to 34.65 liter. Okay, 34.65 liter of water. So total capacity of the cylindrical vessels is 34.65 liters. Okay, so this is required answer of this question. Okay, now move to the question number 2. Okay, in question number 2, it has been given the statement the inner diameter of the cylindrical wooden. Question number 2, A, the inner diameter of a cylindrical wooden pipe is 24 centimeter. Is 24 centimeter, and its outer diameter is 28 centimeter, and its outer diameter is 28 centimeter. Outer diameter is 28 centimeter. The length of the pipe is 35 centimeter. The length of the pipe is 35 centimeter. The length of the pipe is 35 centimeter. Find the mass of the pipe. Okay. Find the mass of the pipe. Find the mass of the pipe if 1 centimeter cube of wood has 1 centimeter cube of wood has a mass of 0.5 gram. Has 0.5 gram. Okay, 0.6 gram. Okay, this is not 5, 6 gram. Okay, so in this problem we have given inner diameter of a cylindrical wooden 24 centimeter and outer diameter is 28 centimeter. Okay, so inner diameter, suppose inner diameter is d1, means the inner radius, so this is r1 equal to d upon 2, means 24 upon 2 centimeter equal to 12 centimeter, and outer radius r2, which is equal to 28 upon 2 centimeter equal to 40 centimeter. r2 40 centimeter. Okay, and length of the pipe is given. Length of the pipe. Length of the pipe is, this is in the form of cylinder, so its height is given 35 centimeter. And also draw here its simple diagram. This is okay. This is just cylindrical wooden pipe. Its inner diameter r1. This is outer diameter r2. Then we have to ask, find the mass. Okay, find the mass of the pipe. So first we need to find what is the total volume of the wooden cylinder. Okay, so this is the width of the cylinder, so we need to find this. So volume of the wood equal to volume of the wood equal to, so volume of the wood of this cylinder is calculated by outer volume minus inner volume. So outer is pi r square h minus pi r1 square h. So here pi is common, so this is r2 square minus r1 square into h. Here the value of pi is 22/7 and r2 diameter means radius r2 14, so 14 square minus 12 square into h. H is 35 centimeter, so write 35 centimeter. Now simplify further. So here this is 22/7. Okay, that's 7 5 is 35 and 5 multiplied by 22, so 110 into 44. 14 is 196 square of 14 and this is 144. So here 110 26 minus 44, 2, 5, and now 110 multiply by 52. Okay, so we will get 1052 equal to 0275 is equal to 5720 centimeter cube. Okay, this is required volume. This is required volume of the wood. Okay, wooden cylindrical wooden, and also find the mass of the pipe, means mass of the wood. So mass of the wood are pipe equal to, here 1 centimeter cube volume by 0.6 gram. So total volume 5720 centimeter cube have 0.6 gram, means multiply by 0.6 gram, so we will get overall 34.32 gram, and in kg this is 3.42 kg. Okay, 3.4232 kg. So this is the mass of the wood or cylindrical wooden. Okay, so this is required answer of this question.